Today we are making Classic Biscotti, a crisp, delicious Italian treat, perfect for dunking in coffee, tea or even dessert wine. Let's get started. Start with 250 grams of flour, 5 grams of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 5 grams of fresh lemon zest for a hint of brightness. Add in 120 grams of sugar, crack in 2 eggs. Mix these ingredients together until a dough forms. It should be slightly sticky and come together easily. Now it's time to add the almonds. Gently mix them in by hand. This prevents them from getting crushed, which can happen if you use a stand mixer. Mix until the almonds are evenly distributed. Lightly flour your workspace, then divide the dough in half. Shape each portion into a log. Flatten each log to your preferred thickness for even baking. Use a dough scraper to carefully transfer the logs onto a parchment-lined baking tray. Place them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 minutes, just until they start to turn golden. Once they are cool enough to handle, cut each log into 2 cm thick slices. Lay each slice flat on the baking tray with one cut side facing up and return them to the oven. As for the aged pieces, no need to flip them, just let them bake flat. Bake for an additional 5 minutes per side to get that perfect crunch. Let your biscotti cool completely before serving. Enjoy your biscotti with hot coffee, espresso or tea. For a classic Italian pairing, try them with dessert wine or get cozy with hot chocolate. Enjoy!